Have you ever wanted to build AI-powered applications using GPT models with enterprise-grade security? That's exactly what Azure OpenAI Service offers. Azure OpenAI Service brings OpenAI's powerful models like GPT, DALL, and Embeddings into the Microsoft Azure ecosystem. It enables organizations to build intelligent chatbots, copilots, content generators, and AI assistants at scale. Unlike using OpenAI directly, Azure OpenAI provides enterprise security, compliance, and governance features. Think of it as OpenAI's advanced AI models combined with Azure's trusted cloud infrastructure. One of the most popular models available is GPT, which can understand and generate human-like text. You can use GPT models to create conversational AI experiences and customer support solutions. Azure OpenAI can summarize long documents, generate reports, and automate content creation. It also supports image generation through models like DALL, transforming text descriptions into visuals. Embedding models convert text into numerical vectors, making semantic search and recommendations possible. Organizations can combine Azure OpenAI with their own business data for customized AI experiences. This allows employees and customers to get accurate answers from internal knowledge bases. A common architecture uses Azure OpenAI together with Azure AI Search. This approach is called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, which improves answer accuracy. The process starts with a prompt, which is simply an instruction or question given to the AI model. Well-designed prompts often produce better, more reliable AI responses. Developers access Azure OpenAI through Azure resources created directly in the Azure portal.
After creating the resource, you deploy a model such as GPT-4o or GPT-4.
Applications then interact with the model through REST APIs or SDKs. Azure OpenAI supports popular programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, Java, and C#.
Security is a major advantage. Data remains protected by Azure's Enterprise Security Framework.
It also supports various compliance standards required by enterprises and regulated industries.
Microsoft includes responsible AI features to help reduce harmful or unsafe outputs.
Built-in content filters monitor prompts and responses for potentially unsafe content.
Businesses use Azure OpenAI for customer service, document processing, coding assistance, and knowledge management. Many modern AI copilots are powered by Azure OpenAI models behind the scenes. Azure OpenAI is designed to scale from small prototypes to enterprise-grade production systems. It integrates seamlessly with other Azure services, such as Azure AI Search, Storage, Functions, and Logic apps. To summarize, Azure OpenAI combines powerful AI models with Azure's security, scalability, and enterprise capabilities. Now you know what Azure OpenAI Service is and why it's transforming enterprise AI. Like, share, and subscribe for more Azure AI and AI-103 learning videos.